Dear students, today's topic is natural and whole numbers. First of all, we will discuss natural numbers. The numbers used for counting objects around us are called natural or counting numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. These numbers are called natural numbers. The set of natural numbers n, the set of natural number is denoted by the capital letter N. So n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Note: the smallest natural number is 1. Dear students, second one point is whole number. The number consisting of 0 and all the natural numbers are called whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These numbers are called whole numbers. The set of whole numbers. The set of whole number is denoted by the capital letter W. W set is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Dear students, the counting numbers when the counting starting from 0, these numbers are called whole numbers. Note: the smallest whole number is 0. Dear students, let us enjoy an interesting video related to today's topic. So, start.
Students, are you noticing that we are using numbers to express days, date, time, etc.? We make use of numbers in our day-to-day activities. We use numbers to express weight, height, distance, capacity, quantity, and many more things. So, we can say that a system for expressing numbers is known as number system. And today we are going to study about natural numbers and whole numbers. Bhanu, start counting the numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good, Bhanu. Now Ayush, can you start counting?
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Both of you have started your counting from 1. So, we can say the numbers that are used for counting are called natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes on up to infinity. The counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. are known as natural numbers. The collection of natural numbers is denoted by capital N. The first and smallest natural number is 1. Natural numbers are infinite, hence there is no greater natural number. Ma'am, what is infinite? Good question, Ayush. Infinite means endless. There is no end of it. In natural numbers, there is no end of natural numbers. Natural numbers keeps on going and going. Moving on, Pratap, how many birds are there in this classroom?
0 birds.
None, ma'am.
So, you can see 0 plays an important role in our lives. The group of 0 and all natural numbers is called whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and many more. We can say whole number includes 0 and all natural numbers. And every natural number is a whole number. The set of whole numbers is denoted by capital W. Whole numbers are also infinite. The smallest whole number is 0. Now Bunty, as you know, every natural number is a whole number. Can you tell me, can we say that all whole numbers are natural numbers?
No, ma'am. All whole numbers are not natural numbers. because natural numbers does not include 0 whereas whole numbers include 0. That is why we cannot say that all whole numbers are natural numbers.
Excellent, Bunty. We cannot say that all whole numbers are natural numbers because whole numbers include 0 whereas natural number does not include 0. Once again, let's revise. Natural numbers are counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and whole numbers are group of 0 and natural numbers. Whole numbers starts from 0. Thank you. That's all for today. I hope the concept of natural numbers and whole numbers is clear to you. I've given you homework. Copy it down in your notebooks. Thank you. Stay at home, be safe and keep learning.